Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So let's have a look. I will see in bidding group. So in group management, I will create group. So here I have created one group. I will just click here. Then you can see that I have created South group, that Ramesh, and bidding open. So here let's create one another group. For example, let's say let's go here in create group again. So here I will say, let's say north region, and here I will select the collector Ramesh. So here in standard I will select bidding. So after that I will take the agent. You can select any other agent from here. I will take total members, let's say 5. Total installment amount I will take, let's say 5,000. And after that you can see total group amount 25,000. Now total installment I will take, let's take 12 installment. So 60,000 individual contribution. So minimum and maximum bidding is 5 to 40. So here you can write the agreement number for example, and here I will take collection frequency, let's say week, and auction also on week. So after that I will select here, just you can write all the details, and just I will say create from here. So you can see I have created two groups, north, south and north. Now I will go to the group management. Here add member to group. So here you can see south region has 5 members, and now I will select the north region. So here I will say show group members. So here you can see 5 members we have created. Now I will select these members, and all these members I will add to the north region. So I have added this member to north. If I select north, so you can see 5 members I have added. Now let's go and see the set member account. So I will go to the set member account, and there, so here I will select the group, let's say north, and just refresh from here. So from here you can see these 5 members, we need to set their account. So I will select this member and just set member account from here. So I will select next Juhi, just set member account from here. After that Jasmine, just click on set member account. So one by one I will set member account from here. So you can see if you go up and just refresh from here, so here you can see we have set all these accounts. Now I will just click on this RD6. Then you can see that Ramesh Yadav, the 7 October to 23 December, and the principal is 60,000. So installment is 5,000, and you can collect this from the customer. So installment detail also you can see, or let's say installment tracker. Let's say installment tracker. So you can see 5,000 is the amount we need to receive. So this type we can handle bidding group in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.